This video is about Kundalini Yoga. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we're going to go through a short video that outlines some Kundalini movements that you can do to get the energy moving in your body. To begin, we can just sit comfortably, sit on our mat with our hands on our knees, our spine stacked up tall over our hips. Lift our torso up off of our spine, stack the head up over the spine, and just check in with the breath for a moment. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Working to breathe into the stomach and just seeing how you're doing today, letting go of anything that has happened before now or anything that's going to happen later on today. All you have to do is rest in this moment of awareness. Good job. And we can begin just by dropping our head down to the right side, saying hello to Simba. Maybe take the right hand, gently guide the head off to the side. Go to the left side. Nice and easy. Good job. Come back to center. Bring the chin to the chest. Go to the right. Drop the head back and go to the left. Just moving nice and easy. Nice, gentle circles with our head. Reverse. Go to the left, come back, go to the right, come forward, going nice and slow. Next time you come to center, come back. Good job. We are going to really work to lift the chest up off of the spine. Recenter the hands, and we're just going to move the lower spine. So just bring the belly button forward and back, forward and back, separating between the upper spine and the lower spine. We'll get to the upper spine here in a minute. One more time. Bring it forward and back. Recenter the spine. Good job. Next, you'll just move the upper parts of the spine with the shoulders and the upper back. So just working to separate the movement between the low back and the upper back. Just bring the chest forward, bring the shoulders back, bring the chest back, round the shoulders, chin to chest. Bring it forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. Trying to keep the low vertebrae still. One more time. Good job. Next, we're going to do some rotations with our chest. Just go to the right side, come forward, and go to the left, and come back. Just make big, dramatic movements, keeping the sit bones on the floor, but moving the torso in as big of movements as you can. Reverse. Come to the left, come forward, to the right, and back. One more. Well done. Next, we can do shoulder shrugs. Just bring the shoulders up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. A couple more times. Excellent. Next, we're going to put our hands on our shoulders. We want our arms up in line with our shoulders, and on The in-breath, we're going to turn to the left. The head moves with the shoulders, just looking over the left shoulder. Exhaling to the right. Inhale, turn to the left. Exhale, turn to the right. Inhale to the left. Exhale to the right. Inhale to the left. Exhale to the right. Inhale to the left. Exhale to the right. A couple more times. Good job. Just come back to center. We are going to take our legs, stretch them out nice and wide, going as far as you can comfortably. Just reach the hands out towards the toes. If you can't reach your toes, that is just fine. Just do the best that you can. Keep your head lifted and fold forward. Keep your toes pointed up towards the ceiling. And then on your next exhale, just relax and release. Fold forward. Let the head fall forward. If it's comfortable, maybe bring your hands to center and relax, release into the pose. Just release. Keep pushing the backs of the legs into the mat. Slowly come back up. And then just turn to the side of the mat, stretch your legs out straight, bring them together. And we're going to activate the legs, push through the heels, knees, and the hips. On the in-breath, just bring the arms up. Exhale, hinge from the hips, fold forward, reach towards your toes. Again, if you can't reach your toes, that's fine. Just do the best that you can, grounding through the backs of the legs. And just relax, release. Inhale through the nose, creating some space. Exhale, relax and release. Slowly walk your hands back towards you. Very good job. And there you have it, folks. There's some Kundalini Yoga for you. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please feel free to like, subscribe, share. You can click the gear notification to be notified of future videos, and feel free to check me out on Instagram. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.